How to use RingCentral app in 2025. Start by downloading latest version from the App Store, Google Play, or RingCentral's official website. Once installed, log in with your RingCentral credentials. The home screen now features streamlined tabs, phone, messages, video, and contacts. Use the phone tab to make calls, check voicemail, or access call logs. Tap messages for team chats, SMS, or shared threads. Under video, you can schedule or join meetings with one click. The new 2025 layout also includes smart calendar integration and AI-powered transcription, whether you're remote or hybrid. The RingCentral app keeps all your communication tools in one easy-to-use hub. So that's it.